We finally made it to Cam 1 Beach. It's less than a minute walk from where we are staying, but I haven't been on the beach at all yet, 1 week into the trip. If you're new to our channel, my name is Becky. I travel with my husband Travis and our 2 daughters. We have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, so come along with us on this adventure. It's probably almost 10 o'clock already, and we are here. The girls are having a little bit of a play. I'm gonna try and get them both in the ocean and then probably head back for Ellie's first nap of the day. Our stop for this afternoon is to head into this little open air market that's right on South Kihei Road. Just browsing around at the markets, and I guess I never said, but the reason we're out and about this afternoon instead of being back at the beach is because it got really windy, so it would be too windy for umbrellas and there's big waves, so just not a great beach afternoon. So I'm glad we went out and had a little bit of a play in the water this morning, but I'm just walking back to our condos now with Ellie, hoping she'll fall asleep in the stroller, and Teddy and Travis went back to jump in the pool. Here is one entrance to the South Maui Gardens. This is where all the food trucks are. Really wanted to come to the hula show here, but it's $100 each, including we would have to pay that for Teddy, and that's not for your supper, that's just to enjoy the show. And I just don't know enough about it to know if it's like amazing and worth $300 US, so I think we're gonna skip it, but it is a highly recommended activity on Maui. Here's where they hold the hula show. The tables are all first come, first serve, as well as a spot on the grass so you can bring a blanket or your chairs. And it happens 3 nights a week right now. There's kind of a little stage at that building there. So it's supposed to be pretty wonderful. We are at Alua Beach today. It is one of the first beaches in the kind of transition between Kihei and Wailea, so it's very close to where we were staying. At 9:20 this morning, the parking lot was already full. Travis dropped us off at the little roundabout, and then he waited for a parking spot, which didn't take too long. But yeah, we are at the beach. There are so many snorkelers in the water, and we are just going to enjoy our morning here, probably do a little bit of snorkeling and just hanging out on the beach and in the water. had such a nice morning at the beach. Went snorkeling, I saw the big turtle. I feel like my trip is made. We did a little bit of swimming. Teddy played in the sand for so long, like she just loves it so much. And Ellie ended up not getting a nap at all. We left around noon and we came back to our condo, had lunch, and she just kind of was so overtired. It did take a little bit to get her down, but both girls are napping now. And so we're just gonna have a couple of hours at the condo to chill out. We're having quesadillas and rice and beans out on the lanai. Just enjoying the view and the beautiful weather. So that's going to be it for us tonight and for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us on some chill Maui days.